Meet the Sony Alpha ZV-E10L, the perfect mirrorless vlog camera for content creators. With a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, 4K video at 30 frames per second, and a fully articulating screen, it's easy to shoot stunning videos and smooth slow motion in full HD, 120 frames per second. Easily focus on faces and eyes with real-time autofocus, and capture crystal clear audio with the included directional microphone and windshield. Compact, lightweight, and compatible with over 60 Sony lenses, this camera unlocks endless creative possibilities. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Sony Alpha 7 III, a full-frame mirrorless camera with a 24.2 megapixel back-illuminated sensor that delivers stunning images even in low light. Its fast autofocus with real-time IAF, 5-axis image stabilization, and 4K HDR video recording make capturing professional quality photos and videos effortless. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Sony Alpha 7 III, a full-frame mirrorless camera with lightning-fast autofocus in just 0.02 seconds, 24.2 megapixels for stunning detail, and 5-axis image stabilization for smooth shots. Perfect for photos and 4K HDR videos, it features IAF, high ISO, and extended battery life. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Meet the Canon EOS R100, the lightweight and compact mirrorless camera that packs a punch with 24.1 megapixels and stunning 4K video. Its fast autofocus, face and eye detection, plus easy wireless sharing, make capturing beautiful photos and videos effortless. Perfect for travel, everyday moments, or creative projects. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Sony Alpha 7 IV, a powerful full-frame mirrorless camera with 33 megapixels for stunning detail and incredible low-light performance. Capture 4K 60 frames per second videos, enjoy real-time autofocus for humans and animals, and shoot up to 10 frames per second. Its vari-angle touchscreen and large battery make it perfect for creators. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Looking to elevate your content? The Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera packs a punch with a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, capturing stunning details even in low light. Shoot crisp 4K videos oversampled from 6,000 pixels and keep up with fast-moving subjects thanks to dual pixel autofocus. Compact, lightweight, and perfect for travel and vlogging with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for easy sharing. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Meet the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 mirrorless vlog camera, designed for creators who want stunning 4K videos and smooth slow motion in full HD. Its flip-out screen, real-time eye autofocus, and professional background blur make recording effortless and professional looking. Compatible with over 60 Sony lenses, it's perfect for unleashing your creativity. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment.